Hello everyone, welcome to another speed test between the Redmi 10 and the Xiaomi Poco X3 NFC. In this video, we are gonna find out which is best and which is faster between the Redmi 10 and the Poco X3. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So starting from the boot up test, and here we go. Now let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one. As on the Redmi 10 we have got MediaTek Helio G88 chip, while on the Poco X3 we have got Snapdragon 732G, and both are 6GB variant. So let's see how the G88 is gonna perform against the Snapdragon 732G in heavier games. And you can see the first boot up test won by the Poco X3, and I think this is gonna be a huge difference between these two devices. And as I predicted, I think it was about 4-second difference between both smartphones while booting up. Now before starting the test, you can see both are running on their updated software, which is the MIUI 12.5, and also both are 6GB variant as I told you, and as well as both are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection, and everything is also completely run off on the background. So starting from some light applications, and the first one is going to be phone dialer, and you can see it was about the same messages, and it was exactly the same time once again camera. And this one goes to the Poco X3. Now coming to the third-party applications to see the real difference between the Redmi 10 and the Poco X3. Welcome back. So it was a gaming test between the Redmi 10 and the Poco X3 NFC, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance of both devices. Now according to this test, I will definitely prefer the Poco X3 against the Redmi 10 because the gaming performance of the X3 is much better compared to Redmi 10. It is a bit expensive, but it is totally worth to buy against the Redmi 10. But at the end, you guys are here to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about this test. Okay, so it was all from us for today. Just make sure to subscribe my channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep supporting us.